Hey guys, thank you so much for joining us for this beauty box tutorial slash unboxing. This is sadly our last beauty box. Yes. But it is our last beauty box because we have a lot of new things happening. We are switching labs because we are now going to be EU certified, which means that we are now clean beauty. 100% certified. We don't have to deal with any communication issues or anything to do with the current lab we have to the new lab. So that is great. It's gonna be, the new lab is in Canada, in Toronto, and I'm excited to visit and bring you guys with us in the future. So the other reason for the last beauty box is because we will be doing a lot more. We have a lot of new products coming out, new formulations, and I just wanted to take a little bit of a breather, and maybe we will bring it back in the future because I know a lot of you are sad when I sent out that email. But let's get started into the unboxing. So, first thing is always our little mini mag pamphlet that gives you some random things, I may say, and information about the products that are in it. Boop. And my love letter to you guys. Love it. And so let's start with the lip products. The first product is our lip liner, Toast. It's what I have on the outline of my lips. Get it? Liner. Outline of the lips. And then our lip gloss, Afterglow. It is like a mauve-y, good color for fall, shimmery tone. Mixed with the Toast, it gives you this kind of warm tone that we have right now. And then the Piece de Resistance, the Bad Mama Jamma, the Hot Diggity Damn that came into your beauty boxes was our 5 Well eyeshadow palette. But not one, not two, but 3 of them came in there. Cue the cheering and the ooh and ahs. Okay, so the first palette is a Plum. It's called Plum Rose palette. It's a mix of purpley pinks, which looks great on everybody. So I hope you guys like this one. Then we have my favorite, which is a Terracotta. It is a mix of burnt oranges. Looks great on, again, all skin tones. Fair, fair light, medium, medium, dark, dark, deep. It looked great. Including on medium and darker tones. It really brings out a more neutral tone in your skin tone. Try it, you're gonna love it. And finally, a Nude. This is our basic range of skin tone tones. And our Nude, which is a palette of beiges, taupes, and deep browns, and even a bronze shimmer. So this is what I have on my eyeballs. What do you think? Yeah, that's it. And for our bonus product, thank you to Caroline, who wanted us to go out with a bang, is the staple earrings. Check her out. We will tag her in the comments. It's Shop Beau Femme. She's awesome. These are super, super cute, and they come in gold and silver. So some of you may get one or the other. So, yes. That is a quick little unboxing of our beauty box, and now let's get started to this tutorial. Was I out of the frame? So in all the palettes, you'll have a neutral, cool warms, a warm, and a shimmer. So I'm going to use the Nude palette and kind of show you how to do this the easiest way possible with your finger. Most likely if you are rushing and you're trying to get to point A to point B quickly and you want to get some eyes on your eyeballs, then you do it in the car. It's a good travel size. You can definitely use the brush it does come with. You could use the brush that it comes with. So this is the brush that it comes with. It is a eyeshadow brush. It's flat, as you can see. So you can definitely use this, but I'm going to show you how to do it using your finger. So I'm going to start out with the Nude, then use the cool color as a transition, add my dark tone, and a little bit of a shimmer for a pop. So let's get to it. So starting with the Nude, I'm just going to take the Nude, and you always want to use your ring finger because it has less pressure and it's easier for you to move from one end to another end. When you're doing your eyeshadow with your finger, you don't want to just pat it in like a crazy person. You want to like tap it and then like a gentle swipe.
Gentle smudge.
Smudge. Same thing with the other eye. And as you can see with the neutral tone, I'm adding it focusing on the lid and then a little bit higher over the crease. Okay, so now that I have my base on and my eyes look extremely bright, I'm going to use the second color, and I'm going to start at the end of the eye up to the crease. Almost like, what I want to do is always divide my eye into thirds. So you have one section, two section, three sections. So on the third, going into a little bit into the second section, you want to add the second color, which is going to be a transition color. As you can see, it's just subtle enough that you can tell that there is another color there. And if you hear cooing or something in the background, that's Juju Bug. That's our little Julian, our little studio mascot. And then to blend both shades together, I'm going to go back to the neutral the neutral color. English is not working today. And then just go over the front section and slightly dusting over the transition color. This transition color, for me, it's not dark enough, so I'm actually going to go to the fourth color now, which is this one, and deepen it a little bit more. And I'm just going to, as you can see, just right there, kind of just in the crease. And again, using my finger and using the tap swipe motion, it's going to just deepen the crease. And yes, you can use a brush, but let's be serious. Most of the time, when you do have very little time and you want to do it, you're probably going to just use one color and then just put it on. But when you do only one color, it just looks really, really flat. Or you just add a shimmer, and it's not really doing anything. When you want to do is create definition. Almost like when you're contouring the face, you want to contour the eye. So that's kind of what we're doing here. So now that I have my crease colors, I'm going to blend them again, going back to the previous color. And then taking the last color, the darkest shade, and just tapping just a little bit to give it a little bit more definition. And you can definitely just leave it like this and not put a shimmer, but I'm going to use a shimmer because we like to shine bright like a diamond. Okay, so using the shimmer tone, I'm just going to cover the lid on the crease. I mean on the just the lid, not going past the crease. So there you go. You can do a little bit of shimmer like how I did here, and then you can leave, or you can leave it matte. So I'm just gonna add a little shimmer. I like it either way. I'm a big fan of just a full matte eyeshadow, but once in a while I also love a little shimmer. I mean, honestly, who doesn't love a little shimmer? Now I'm going a little extra with the shimmer. Okay. And that's it with the eye makeup. Pretty simple. I think it's simple. I hope it's simple to you. And you can do the same combination with all the eyeshadow palettes. So even if you use the orange palette, you can use the neutral, these are transition tones, a warm tone, and then a shimmer. And same thing with this one. You have your neutral, your transition shades, and your warm shade and the shimmer. This is the only palette that the shimmer is on the 4th well instead of the 3rd well. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to now do our lips. In the beauty box there is a lip liner called Toast and a lip gloss called Afterglow. Le shimmer, again with the shimmers. So with the lip liner, what you want to do to get the Cupid's bow is you want to start by going to the peak of it and creating an X. Right? And right after that, just kind of hug the bottom. And even if it's not straight or perfect, you can fix it as you're filling it in. Like right now, it looks like that. But, so as I'm tracing the X, you don't want to just use the pencil really pointing like this. You want to almost hold it flat. This will give you a smoother look instead of this, which is a line. Then you're going to have to blend it in. It's not as much more work. Now, if that's your style and you like the dark liner, go for it. But for me, I like it a little blended. And same thing at the bottom. You want to drag it instead of trying to draw it on. And by dragging it, you hug your natural line a little bit better. Okay, that looks somewhat straight. So the next thing I'm going to do is our lip gloss. This is a new lip gloss, so it's going to have to you want to always kind of take out or create air in the lip gloss. This way you can get the product out. And there you go. Here's like a nice, good fall color. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope you enjoy this beauty box. Tag us. I would love to see your fall looks. We're using our beauty box palettes, eyeshadow palettes. He wants to do eyeshadow too. Not yet. I have to show you how to hold a brush properly first. But until then, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. See you next time. Bye.